My video guide is about getting rid of the online scary alerts coming from the site checkpcsecurity.com. Checkpcsecurity.com is the website that may start suddenly attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. This website tries to trick people into subscribing to its multiple push notifications by making them click on the allow button. If the allow button is clicked by mistake, of course, the browser gets hijacked. Also, these pop-ups try to scare people to make them download and install some potentially unwanted software. The pop-up indicates that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. So it tries to trick you into clicking on this proceed button, but if you do that by mistake, as I said, your browser will be hijacked. You may be redirected to some other junk resources that may promote some other potentially unwanted software. So do not ever interact with these pop-ups by the site checkpcsecurity.com. These are fake alerts you should not trust. To get rid of these pop-ups, you need to find their source. So first thing you could do is to check the control panel of your computer and uninstall any programs that might be suspicious. If you find something unfamiliar on the list, get rid of it. We also recommend that you additionally research the safety of your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and begin researching and investigating your computer to detect and delete other threats from the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.